All right, I've got my copy of X11 open, and I think you're right. They used to be over here in the file under the file menu. The template pane. Now they just have this where you can create a specific template for like a specific client or a specific size or purpose. And then you can also do the same thing with a layout file. But on my computer, here's the, this is File Explorer. Let me show you again. Just go over here to Windows, right click, and select File Explorer, right click, or left click, excuse me. And then I'm going to go to Documents and X11 Data, Templates. And see, all those templates are there. There's urban, today's traditional, some layout sizes, templates, profile plan, profile metric, residential template, yada, yada, on and on. And also your layout borders over here as well. So it's all, it got installed on your hard drive, and it's still there. It's just not as readily accessible directly from the file menu in X11. So you would go File, Open Plan, and then using this interface, you would go over here to Documents, X11, Templates, and then pick the template you wanted. Okay? Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. If you have X11, I think it's the same in X10. Let me close it. We'll just take a look. Go over to X10 and see if it's not the same. I don't remember if they changed it or not, because I don't use the templates that much except for very specific purposes. Let's see, there's templates. Now it's the same as X11 in X10. So probably just hadn't looked in a few versions and they dropped it somewhere. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Have a good day.